Jiuzhaigou Valley, Sichuan's gem, boasts colorful lakes and stunning waterfalls. Located in southwestern China, it spans over 720 square kilometers. The name Jiuzhaigou translates to Nine Village Valley, reflecting its Tibetan heritage. The valley is a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site since 1992. It houses over 140 bird species and numerous protected plants and animals. Jiuzhaigou's lakes are famous for their bright turquoise and green hues. The unique watercolors result from calcified rocks and algae. The most notable lake, Five Flower Lake, is renowned for its vibrant patterns. Seasonal changes render Jiuzhaigou an ever-changing natural wonder. In autumn, the valley transforms into a riot of fall colors. Winter turns the valley into a serene, snow-covered spectacle. The valley's waterfalls range from gentle cascades to powerful torrents. Ngawa Waterfall, one of China's largest, is a breathtaking sight. The valley also features traditional Tibetan villages, offering cultural experiences. Jiuzhaigou's unique geology includes numerous karst formations. Visiting Jiuzhaigou offers a blend of natural beauty and cultural richness.